me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know what the reason. Thank God them with my glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them.
So now already know what time it is, don't? Oh no, already know what time it is, don't? People, it's story time. You normally when it's story time, when you see me in my bandana. No, you don't see me in my bandana. When you see me in my tired. Oh, what you call? I forgot what you call. Durag. When you see me in my durag though, I have a story to tell you upon this story I have to tell you today. Somebody no broke in my house and thief me durag. I durag alone in thief, you know. Somebody broke in my house and thief the durag. Cause now me can't find this a durag. Yeah. Me get up from yesterday. From yesterday me a search and I no sleep. Not time last night. Me a search. Me feel say Chabas. Me feel say Chabas. Chabas. Me know you go watch this. Bring back me durag. Please. Alright, my G, so today is kinda two story in one. Them happen back to back, not back to back, but them happen like a week apart, so it just makes sense me tell the two of them. The two of them is a story at my Buff Bay Primary School. Me used to go to Buff Bay Primary School in Portland. Two of them take place in the primary school, and I mean so me just gonna tell the two of them right now. Boom! The first one. Me used to, you saw me I go Buff Bay Primary School. My sister used to go to school. Alright, you have Buff Bay Primary School, yes, up on the main road. Then you have Bradford over here, so. One next school used to do over here, so it's for two big church there. Me no remember what the school they called, but my little sister used to go to school there. So, them time there, me now, she come home one evening and she tell me, say, yo, the teacher shout off her. So, me being the big brother that I am, you know what I mean? Me tell her, say, if the teacher shout off for you one more time, tell her, say, yo, your big brother go forward over there and take care of things. You know what I mean? Tell her, don't deal with you certain way, no lick you, no do nothing. It's your big brother, I go deal with her. That me tell my sister, I go tell the teacher, you know. Me a thugs, me a bad man, alright. Next day, sister go to school. Sister tell the teacher everything when me tell her to tell the teacher. You know, say a police station the teacher go because the teacher feel threatened. Mind you, the teacher never know me. The teacher never know me, never have no clue. She only know my name. Cause my sister said Junior say, you know what I mean? So she have a name. She walk to police station, you know, cause fear thing there, so for my school there, so police station they out there, so and you have hospital road. Police station the side of the library. Well, police station did the side of the library when we used to go to primary school. Near library, post office. But the thing was, you see one lady used to work at school gate, my school gate, primary school gate, where more while if my brother not get the money, or she get the money, or my mother would have PR, and we just go pick up a lunch from her. So she used to drop over my sister's school. So everybody knows, say, yo, she there around me and my sister. Everybody know that. The lady I walk go a police station now and see her. And she has said, oh, the woman I drop her to school now. Make she say it to the woman. And she say it, you know. She's like, a police station she a go. Because Chantel come to school this morning. And Chantel has said, Junior come they come kill her, beat her up and him something there because she a mistreat her. Mind you, this a woman you lie and wicked, you know. Me never use word like kill or shoot and stab up Abby. And that the woman I say, my sister say, me I tell her, you know. Police station the woman say she a go because Junior come kill her. So the woman at school get her say, hold on. Chantel, for me Chantel, she a say, yes. Her big brother Junior, I come down here, come kill me, cause this and that. The woman I said, no man, walla. You sure Junior? She said, yes, Junior, her big brother. She not have a big brother named Junior. So the woman at school gate now I say, yes, she have a brother named Junior. But hold on, stay here, so hold on. That time the teacher woman begs in a police station, she a going. Well, want get Junior arrested, you know, because she feel threatened, you know. She get big threat, you know, so she afraid. Me in a class, I me see the lady forward there, and she forward for me, and she take me out of the class, and me out there now, me I walk and go out and me see teacher, because me know the teacher, you know, me know my sister teacher. And me I say, look like a girl here gonna get me in a trouble, you know. Me know say something good on, you know, because me know me tell my sister the evening before. So me I say, shit, something go on, you know, me definitely gonna get beaten. Yo, me adapt me there that pre in me head, you know, me walk out there and the woman I said, see Junior, yeah? The teacher look like, what you mean see Junior, yeah? The woman said, see Junior, yeah? That time me little bit, you know, little bit of boy now, grade 1 me, you know, head big no ratty, then yes, when the woman see me, I grung the teacher there roll, you know. Cause me, she a go police station find out. Grade 1 me, you know, with a big head, you know. She laugh. The whole place laugh. They say him named Junior, him are the big brother. And grade 1 him in here saying that embarrass me out there, me shame, me just cut me and go back to class. Bright. So, me I tell you, until the day the story there is still funny because of how my sister go exaggerate and say this. I know the teacher exaggerate and I say she a got station because Junior go come stab her up, kill her and everything. It was just crazy. It was just ridiculous. Yo, she laugh. But anyway, next story, because remember me telling us 2 stories in one. And that one here about me shit up myself. Me telling you me shit up myself already. That one here how me shit up myself. It was like any other day. Bright and sunny. Portland, Jamaica. Buff Bay Primary. Alright, me in a class. It started out like this, me in a class. I was a very rude little kid. A very rude little boy. I was very rude. Give me a trouble and I never used to listen. I was very rude. Boom, me in a class. Reading time now. Teacher read. And me ask to go to the bathroom because my belly a bubble. From morning my belly a bubble and you know you have a specific time when you know where what kind of bowel your about to move depends on how your belly a roll. If your belly a make some weird sound and just a bubble, you know it a go come out water. And then no hard nothing or some yes or that. So me I say, miss, can I go to the bathroom? She expect me I go just walk up and down around the school and him something. Because normally me do that, me rude, but this time me actually want to go to the bathroom for sure. The woman said no. Mind you, know, see my grade 1 class here right here, so you have one bathroom exactly as you come out and turn, so I have one bathroom, but that's the girls' bathroom. So all me have to do is come out of the class, pass the girl bathroom and go right up to the boy bathroom and come back to the class. That's all me want to do. Me never did I go walk up and down. Me never did I go do rudeness. Me never did I go do none of that. Me just want shit. That's it. If you telling you the truth, me just do want shit. As some me explain to you man say, yo, me just want go shit. Cause me I be real with her and me I say, miss, me want go bathroom and shit me want shit. Cause remember in a little bit, me in a grade 1, me not no filter. So me I tell her straight up, me want shit. The woman say, no, go sit down. So me I look upon her like, bitch, me know you hear thunder roll, lightning soon strike, and then it come the flood. Cause rain a go fall. The woman sit down and look upon me same way. So me say, okay. Me go back and me see it and me sit down and she did a read. 2 tools me see every pitney I go so. Everybody a smell, till everybody just draw away from me. So me now move because me don't know and me I release everything. Me no hold back nothing, me let go everything. Me say me sit down there on me decks and me just a look upon the teacher and me a let go everything. Me now hold back nothing. Shit you want, shit you can get. You know say me cut my shit. Everybody clear from me now. The teacher come to me now. Them a say, oh, peep me and laugh. Them a call me shit up. Them a call me this. Them a call me that. That time shit a run down the side of me boat now, you know. Cause me tell you, me have a feeling when me hear the sound, say it a gonna be watery. So when me let go everything, it run straight down my pants. Straight down my pants, it run. Straight down my foot. And it just stick on. It stick on for my foot and just go straight down. And you see when my foot bend so at the chair, it bend with my foot so. And everything just down my leg. And I know one leg. 2 legs. Me just leg out everything. Everything me leg out. My boot are full up now till it a go over the side of my boot. You know the teacher. You remember the story me tell you me drop off a bus because me da wait for KD. KD in a grade 6, you know. My bigger teacher now. My bigger cousin. The teacher tell me now say, go to my cousin. Go make she clean me up. Me I say, bitch, I mean want walk in the big school, son, stink of shit, boot full of shit, pants full of shit. Fire follow me. And you want me go look for Mike? Yo, the woman is wicked, you know. If me I look back on it now, the teacher, your woman, you're wicked, you know. Remember, grade 1 me, you know, grade 1 and she had deal with me as a little youth. So because me used to give all the trouble, she hate me, you know. She never used to rate me, you know. That's why she give me the bad punishment there, you know. Anyway, me have to walk go the class. It was class dinner session, so nobody never really out the door if you see me and laugh off of me more. So class dinner session, me end up knock on KD Bombas class door. Well, a grill, so you know, me use the next piece of grill and lick the grill, and the teacher come out and see me and I say, oh, the little boy, you stink of shit, so. How you look, so? Me I say, me come for my cousin. And me tell her my cousin name and KD come out and KD I say, Jesus Christ. Oh, you shit up yourself, so you can't tell, say, KD, do you want? What me want, you know, boy, you hold your composure, KD. You hold your composure. Yeah, right now, me have to big up KD for true, you know. And people, you know what the biggest thing is? You remember me telling you, say, Giged saved my life from the pig with that John. Giged and KD are brother and sister. Me a buy a cola in the kid one day, KD. Me a buy a cola in the kid. Me a look back on the situation now and me never thank you properly. Thank you, KD. Me a buy a me kid. You know, say, KD bring me. And KD strip me down. And KD wash me brief. KD wash me brief and hang it on the school wall. KD wash me pants and hang it on the school wall. KD wash me socks and hang it on the school wall. KD wash me boot and turn it down on the school wall. KD, you're an angel. I was too young to realize all the good you have done for me, KD. You're an angel. KD clean me up. KD wash off his shit off of me and bathe me. In do everything, you go back in her class and clean up a little feces where did around my decks. She clean it up, a place this still stink, but you couldn't visually see nothing. You understand? KD, I'm dedicated to you. I'm dedicated to you, KD. Me just there, me a pray it, you know. I pray it enough that, you know, for you bathe me, wash my pants, me brief, my boot, my socks, and I want to tell you no say, I saw so short alone, me go back in a class with. Me naked, you know, complete naked, you know. And I shut alone, I saw me a walk, you know, I go back in a class, you know. With me little grade 1 penis just a swing, so. Remember me naked, you know. I shut alone me, you know, them little khaki shot that me have on my tie, same with me little grade 1 tie. I think a greenhouse me, you know, with the little green slash crosses, so. And me I walk and go back in a class, so. With my grade 1 penis. Naked as the day me ball. Embarrassed. Shame. I was so embarrassed and shame. Until this day me scar. Buff Bay Primary. Until this day me scar. KD have done a lot for me. Moral of the story is shit anyway you want shit. Somebody must help you clean up your shit. People, me still sick. Bear with me. Me still sick. Yo, this story, it actually might sound funny too, no, but it happened for real and it crazy because it's legit a real story. Everything when me said to you, that's exactly how it happened. Katie, the more on to the top. Yo, we just big up Katie in the comment section right now. Katie, you're an angel. Giget's sister. Remember, Giget saved me already, you know. And this time it was him sister time to save me, Katie. Katie, you saved me. But one time, people, me tell you one little short story with Katie. One time we go buy cash pot in and Katie have one little drawstring bag around himself. And this bike brother here drive past, you know. Me don't know what the bike I do so near to it. Katie bag, it's alright, let me tell you exactly what type of bag it is. It's a Digicel bag. And you know the little drawstring bag where you draw this sitting on it, lap. So that him have in, we have a cash back money in it with the book with the number them we are going to buy. The bike I drive past and hook the bag and hook Katie. Yo, Katie now leg off my bag. Katie and the bag gone down so with the bike and the bike man a drive same way. I don't know if the bike man never is a old man. He's a old man still, you know, but you must see somebody on the side of your bike and Katie dip on, hey! And the bag hitch up on the bike man and the handle. Tell me say the old man never did a try kill Katie. And Katie said Katie dip on the cash pack money and now let go bag in on the bike man dip on and Katie dip on it. Yo, Katie, me know you go watch this. Me apologize for you tell your business. Yo, they did it funny, your friend. Bike nearly kill Katie. Bike nearly kill Katie. Bike really nearly kill Katie. Katie, we almost lose you. You have to stay strong, man. We almost lose you. But anyway, that's the end of the story. Thank you guys for coming and watching. You know what I mean? More story I come again. Me have whole heap of story if you tell you no. Only say dopey story. So me I go do some dopey story make you no shit up on yourself. You think me alone I go shit up self? More story coming, so subscribe, like, and comment. Remember to comment and big up Katie because Katie is an angel. Not all angels wear capes, guys. So until the next video, big up on yourself, blessings and respect. I'm out. I just eat fast.
Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know the reason. Thank God I'm glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them.